Okay, what's good? Welcome back to my channel, Journey with Bree. We are on our way to Hobby Lobby because we have a DIY project that we are doing. DIY. Yeah, we are doing a DIY project. Do it yourself. And we bought this, what is it called? Ottoman thing? Yeah, we bought an ottoman. Okay, she bought an ottoman for her room, but we're gonna, revamp it, redecorate it. Yeah, so stay tuned to this vlog. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so we are back. Well, I'm back. So we did get the fabric and the other materials to create this DIY project. We are not the most artistic or creative people that you will ever meet or encounter, but we're gonna do this. I do want to let you all know that Hobby Lobby has a 40% off coupon that's online that we use, so I like Hobby Lobby. This is only my second time going. But anyways, so this video is about our DIY project. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
2 weeks later.
Alright guys, 2 weeks later, and this is the Ottoman that my sister purchased from Goodwill. It was $4.99, so very cheap and affordable. And we're just gonna revamp it. So here it is before. So the equipment you will definitely need a heavy duty stapler just like this. Next you'll need the fabric. We chose the white braid fabric. It's so soft and nice. So we ended up buying it in 3 different sets because we did not measure the ottoman before. So make sure you do that. These are the legs that came on the ottoman, but the 4th one was missing, so we decided to take them off completely.